Hey guys, Shafuri here with Ava Joy doing something extremely important, yet possibly dangerous. You think it's dangerous?
A little bit.
A little bit, because if you don't know what you're doing, it's dangerous. So a knife is dangerous in the hands of someone that doesn't know how to use it, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do a quick little knife skills thing. And we're going to start like this. So the idea is nice and flat, it's not moving around. We could start with working the cucumber like this, but whoa, it's rolling around. So which knife do you want to use?
I use this one.
Ooh, you're gonna graduate to the big one. I mean, this was yours, and I even put a little edge on it. So remember how gripping the knife?
Yeah.
Okay. Now start with the tip down, and what we're gonna do is get as many slices as we can. So down, push forward, lift up. Excellent. And this is something that you just keep doing over and over. Anytime you do a cooking class with me, we do knife skills for the first half an hour. So you want to get as many as possible. So get them nice and thin. And this is true. Excellent. And I have a rubber glove on here just for safety, because sometimes when you're not paying attention, you go, oh, and then you look. But if you have a rubber glove on, it kind of gives you that little bit of. So what would you do if you cut yourself? What would you do?
I'd probably squeeze it.
Yes. I usually squeeze it and then sit down and then look at it, because
Yeah, because then I would get nauseous.
yes, you get nauseous. Very true. Very good. So nice. So literally, just one day, just with your kid. I even started this with you with a plastic knife and a banana. That's super safe. I don't know if you remember
Because the
that.
banana is very easy to cut. It's
Yes,
smooth and mushy.
and the knife is not very sharp, you know. So now I want you to try it with rolling around. But one thing I want you to be sure of is you've got your fingers way back here. We want them up like this.
Okay.
Should we cut? I think we'll cut it in half again.
Yeah.
Still not ready yet, I don't think.
But just
So
put
watch
it-
me for a second. You see where my fingers are?
Mhm.
My fingernails are in the food. They're not like that. Okay, so keep them up and just your fingers guide your knife, just like that. So give it a try. Nice and slow. Accuracy over speed. There you go. Very nice. Look at you. The down and push forward thing. Very good. Excellent. Keep going. So we're going to sit here and practice. I mean, this is just a cucumber, but we're going to learn how to do onions and peppers and corn and potatoes. Maybe cut up a whole chicken one day. So
There's a lot.
I know it's a lot, but I think you can handle it. So we're just going to keep practicing these knife skills. See you next time.